Hi everyone, welcome to our ultimate guide on batch geocoding. In this video, we're going to explore what geocoding is, why it's crucial for many industries, and how you can efficiently geocode large data sets using CDXGeodata. Let's dive in. Geocoding is the process of converting addresses into geographic coordinates, like latitude and longitude. This is incredibly useful in fields like logistics, marketing, sales, and research. But when you're dealing with thousands of addresses, manual geocoding becomes time-consuming and prone to errors. That's where batch geocoding comes in. Instead of manually inputting each address, a batch geocoding tool can process large data sets quickly and accurately, saving you countless hours and ensuring your location data is correct. CDXGeodata is a powerful tool designed specifically for batch geocoding, address verification, and other types of location analysis. CDXGeodata was developed for both business users as well as programmers that need powerful location analytics. These functions can be accessed through user-friendly Excel add-ons that work in both Windows and Mac OS environments. Geodata web services can also be consumed directly for website and software program development. To follow along, you'll need the geocoding template. Simply download it from the templates page on our website. A link for this is included in the video description. As you can see, many application templates are available for distance, address verification, and other applications. Once downloaded, open the file in Excel. Make sure macros are enabled, because the template uses VBA macros to retrieve data from Google. Excel files containing macros may need to be unblocked after downloading from the web. A link is available in the template describing how to do this. As a first step, you will need to set up a Geodata API key. You can get a free one-time API key with 100 request tokens on our website without registering. Obtaining the key does not require a login email or credit card. This will allow you to try out the service risk-free. You can also obtain a free development key which provides 1,000 request tokens per month using a link in the video description below. This requires a verified email address but does not require a credit card. These requests are renewed each month, although unused tokens are not carried over. Additional tokens are available for purchase at cdxtech.com. You will also need separate API keys from the mapping service you wish to use. Geodata works with both Google Maps and HERE technologies. Both services offer generous free usage per month, but be aware separate charges can occur. Support articles are available on our website which cover setting up these API keys. Let's now open the geocoding template in Excel. The template initially opens to a help screen describing how to use it. Press the Get Started button or click on the first tab. As a first step, enter the Geodata API key you received. Once the key is entered, you will also need to associate either a Google or HERE API key with your account. This can be done with the API buttons shown on the Settings dialog. On the Address Geocoding tab, you'll see row 5 is used for your first address entry. You can enter a complete address in column B or enter street, city, state, and postal code in separate columns. Once your data is in place, click Get Coordinates to geocode your list of addresses. The results for latitude and longitude will appear in columns G and H with the confidence of the result returned in column I. Let's try a quick demonstration. I've entered a list of addresses. When I click Get Coordinates, the template sends these addresses to Google, determines the latitude and longitude, and places the result in your spreadsheet. As you can see, the entire process is fast and efficient, saving you the manual hassle of using external map lookups or other tools. Once your account is configured, long lists of addresses can be completed with a single click. So how do you put your newly geocoded and verified data to work? For data analysis and business intelligence, you can pinpoint high-performing regions, optimize supply chain routes, and strategize your sales territories using precise location-based insights. For visualization and reporting, You can create engaging heat maps or territory maps to present data-driven stories. These visualizations can help your team quickly spot trends and patterns. For marketing and research, accurately locate your target. Demographics, measure campaign performance by region, or conduct market penetration studies with confidence. Knowing your addresses are verified and correctly geocoded. That's it. You've learned how to harness CDXGeodata to quickly and accurately geocode addresses in Excel. For more details, visit us at cdxtech.com to explore subscription options and additional functionality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel and data management tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.